and a little cough. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today, I've got Innocent Bones for you. I've not had this box for a little while. The sun keeps moving. I'm trying to make it so it's not blind me. Fox is asleep. I haven't filmed YouTube videos for a month and I seem to have forgotten how to do anything. So let's see how this goes. Innocent Bones is a box I pay for myself. It's a craft box. You can buy one-off boxes, you can do a subscription, you can pause it. I've got my subscription, I had it on pause, so I get it like once every 3 months. Can't remember how much it is, I'll put it on the screen. I don't have a discount code, but I think the code MOOD, because it's MOOD by Innocent Bones, I think that will get you some money off. That's just one that they have running all the time, that's nothing to do with me. Yeah, you get craft stuff and you get a cross stitch, which I'm yet to finish one and I've got about 10, just because I don't have any time to do anything. But this is the Get Shit Done box, which seems very appropriate for me at the moment because I am struggling to get anything done. So it looks like this. That is the cross stitch kit, we'll look at that in a minute, but this is what we've got. So we've got, it's chocolate, cacao nibs crunch, happy oat milk chocolate, soy free, I'm vegan, gluten free, no single use plastic. Well, I need to try it really, don't I? Looks yummy. So it's pink, it's yummy, it's made with oat milk, what's not to like? Tuck into this tasty treat and get those creative juices flowing. So it's got like cacao nibs and stuff on it. I dropped it. See, I love vegan chocolate because it all tastes like dark chocolate. And I love dark chocolate. Delicious. 100 out of 10. Would recommend. Good, good, good. Oh, I dropped a bit. Dropped another bit. Not in the mood. Sticker. I love that. I always stick my stickers on my fridge. I've got hundreds on my fridge through there. But our fridge is about to die. So I'm like, oh my god, I need to get my stickers off. But I don't really know how to, so I'm not going to stick this on my fridge. I'm going to find somewhere else to stick it. So, notepad and a sticker. It says A5 notepad and sticker. Is there anything more motivating than a super gorgeous notepad? This pulp and mill pad and vinyl sticker have got you covered whether you're having a get shit done day or a not in the mood day. So this is a get shit done. So we've got good morning tasks, notes, appointments and reminders. I love a notepad. I'm going to keep this one in the kitchen because if I write things down, I'm more inclined to do them. I don't know if that's just me, but I don't know. Next, we've got some Stabilo Highlighters. I've actually got these. I use these for my bullet journal. What better way to tick off your to-do list than these cute Stabilo Highlighters? They're like pastel colours. So you've got like a pastel lilac-y colour and then a green. Really cute. And then we've got a pink mini crate. This mini crate is perfect for organising your craft stash, storing all your stationery or hiding all the extra sewing bits you couldn't help buying. I need a knife. I need a knife. Oh, it's cute. She's cute as chips. That's what I say to my eldest. I say, you're cute as chips. Oh my god, it is really cute. Get in there, you shit. Oh, I did it. Get in. There you go. Oh, that is cute. And I can put all my things that I got today, you go away box, in there. Lovely. And then let's have a look at the cross stitch, and I'm just trying to see a fox. Yeah, he's still asleep. So it says good things are coming. cracking now, I hope they are. Turn me over for the naughty version. Good things are fucking coming. Yes. That's really lovely. I don't know if that's a new thing or not, but so some of them like get shit done or no fucks given. But I like that there's two different versions because my mother-in-law would like good things are coming, but I like good things are fucking coming. I might try and finish this one. I've started so many. It comes with an idiot's guide on how to do it because I am thick as shit when it comes to cross stitch. And you get all the thread that you need, you get your hoop, you get your material to do it on, and you get your needle. So you get everything you need in there, and it's not like, they're not that difficult, it's just I don't have time. I'm so tired all the time. I'm just busy with life, but I need to make time and do it. So that's a really lovely one. That was the box. Let me know what you think. Yeah, if you get one, let me know. Or if you've finished any of your cross stitches, send me pictures because that kind of motivates me. My friend Jodie does them, and they're always lovely. And I'm like, oh, I could do that. And I love a cross stitch. I've got one up there that someone bought for me, and it says yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker. And I could have so many nice ones that I did myself, and I think that would be like an achievement. But I don't know. It's just getting the. I need to fucking kick up the arse is what I need. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Love you, bye.